How to get working Secretlab coupon codes. Looking for working Secretlab coupon codes? Here's how to find verified discounts and maximize your savings. So, start with Secretlab's own website. They often run seasonal sales and bundle deals like free shipping or discounts on accessories. Another thing you can do is to check trusted coupon platforms like Simply Codes and Worth ePenny. Verified codes include $100 off site-wide, $60 off select shares, and $30 off accessories or orders over $499. Secretlab also offers special discounts such as 10% off military members, student discounts up to $20 off when you sign up for emails. So to be able to use these codes, go ahead and copy the code. So on the coupon site where you're currently in, you'll basically find the description of this coupon at the left side of your screen and the show code button at the right side. So simply click on the show code button and then copy the code for this specific offer and then head back to Secretlab, and then on the checkout, enter your coupon code in the promo box. Verified codes apply instantly, so look for a discount before confirming payment. And that's how to get working Secretlab coupon codes.